Hi Bellas and Ballas, it's me Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, as always bringing you lips, lashes, and luxury. And today I finally got both my Ipsy and my Sephora subscription around the same time. Both happened this week. So I'm like, as luck would have it, I got my new camera, hence your girl is looking very sharp and crisp now. Yes, I have my lighting, so that's looking right. So let's film, let's get into this. So without further delay, I'm going to bring you the Sephora versus Ipsy subscription for the month of May. And shout out to all my sorors in the house. Hey! So I have to tell you, this month I'm really excited because I got a sneak peek into what I was getting for the Sephora, and I was super excited because there's some favorites of mine that are in this box and some new ones that I have never tried that I'm super excited to try. So first and foremost, this is the Sephora playbook. You guys know the pass here you can use to get more points to your Beauty Insider account. So 50 bonus points every month when you buy any full-size product at Sephora. So don't forget to get that. This month's theme is called Beauty Goals. This month also marks 2 years that Sephora Play has been in existence, and I can tell you I have been a Sephora Play subscriber for all of those 2 years, off and on, because some months, like I said, they were kind of iffy, so I kind of let it lapse a month or two. But this month I've been committed to doing it every single month. Rain or shine, whatever I get, because sometimes, you know, some months was like heavy downpour, was not really good, but this month I'm excited, like I said, because we've got some good ones in here. So I will start off first with the Best in Glow. This is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Press Highlighter in Champagne Pop. I'm sure you guys have all seen it, but I will share it with you. This is what it looks like. I will tell you, I was not on the Champagne Pop, Prosecco Pop bandwagon when it first launched. I was like, whatever. But it really is a great highlighter, and especially for us brown girls, it really brings out the richness of our brown tones, our brownness. It has a pearlescent gold shade, and it has peach undertones, which I don't know, for some reason, us brown girls, whether you're lighter than me or darker than me, if you have anything that's a peachy nude, like my lipstick that I have on now, it really does sort of enhance your brownness. Like, I feel really sexy and vibrant when I have on a peachy nude. So I'm really excited to try the highlighter since I've never tried it before. And maybe now I'll finally get on the bandwagon. Then for Prep Perfection, we have the Pore Professional. This is by Benefit Cosmetics. This is an oil-free priming balm that minimizes the look of pores and controls shine all day. In full transparency, I will tell you, I did try this before. It did not hold up for me all day. I used it in the morning, and by mid-afternoon I was like an oil slick. It was just ridiculous. I'm shiny now, but it's not really oil, it's more of the other glow stuff I put on my face. But it does say that you can put this on top of your makeup too, which I didn't know until I read the playbook. So it really is important to read the playbook, because it taught me something I didn't know. So I definitely will try this again on top of my makeup. So I will keep it in my makeup bag. The next thing that I got is the Bumble and Bumble. This is their thickening hairspray. It's a setting spray that controls your style. It can lift up at the roots and adds major volume to your hair. My hair is really flat, so I'm interested to see if that product would actually work. I'm thinking not. I'm thinking it probably wouldn't work for my hair, but I will definitely give it a try, and if it does, I will let you guys know. But I don't hold out too much hope. The next thing is something, again, that I'm really excited about because this is one of my favorites. If you've watched me for a while, this was even in some of my monthly favorites. This is by Kat Von D, the Tattoo Liner in Trooper. Why I love this and why it's in this month's Sephora is because it is a waterproof liquid eyeliner. It has a super fine brush tip, which I will attest to, and it goes on really smooth. What I like about this, beyond what it's written here, is that you can get a super fine cat eye with this liner. The tip of the product, and I actually have one here so I can open it up and show you guys. That's the tip. It sort of reminds me of a tattoo needle, so it gives you that really fine cat eye that people love and that I personally love as well. So this is a great product to keep in your arsenal to really define your wing. The next thing that I have is by Sephora Collection, and this is my first product under skincare with Sephora Collection. This is their detoxifying mud mask that clarifies the skin with zinc and copper. It is a highly effective mask with minerals and mud to absorb excess sebum, which, as you know, that is what gives you blemishes. So it will reduce your blemishes without over drying. So this is definitely going to be in my arsenal when it comes to skincare, to test that out and try it. And actually, if you guys want to do multi-masking, this is a great product to try for multi-masking, because you can put this on where you're really oily, and then in places where you're less oily, maybe you're dry in some areas or just normal in the other areas, you can put another mask on in those areas, and then, you know, treat both skin conditions simultaneously. So that's great. Another great thing about this product, it changes color when it's ready for you to take it off. So that's always fun. The last product is a fragrance, and this is also one of my favorites. This is the Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb. It is a warm, spicy fragrance that smells like a bouquet of sweet flowers mixed with woodsy tones. I actually use this fragrance year round, so it is my signature fragrance. The thing I love about this fragrance is that you can use it and it will smell one way on you, and then my best friend also uses this as well, and it smells completely different on her than it does on me. So we can actually be wearing the same fragrance at the same time and have two different scents. So I love that about this product. So I will tell you, this month I'm extremely happy with everything that I got in this month's bag. Although it didn't have a cute saying on the front. It just has Sephora Play. I would think that, you know, oh, yeah, I dropped something. You know it's not a Brown Girl Bella video unless I drop something. So I was surprised that this didn't have like a cute little saying or something on it. But anyway, happy 2-year anniversary, Sephora, and great job this month of May. Alright, so now we're going to get into the Ipsy bag, and for this I'm going to have to use my phone because I don't have any cute, like it doesn't have like a description in the Ipsy subscription bag. So the bag itself is a bright, cute, covered in passport stamps, and it's good for packing all of your travel size products. So this is the bag. I actually like the last month's bag better, but this is cute. The first product that I'm going to share with you is by NYX, so NYX Professional Makeup. It is a soft matte cream in, this is in Con. And I'll tell you a little bit about this product. It is, it has a nice scent. It smells like vanilla cupcakes. The formula is highly pigmented and it's buildable and long lasting. So we love buildable and we definitely love long lasting lip products. Con is a medium tone soft mauve, so that's great. And the fact that it's long lasting really appeals to me as well. So the next product I will share with you is by Slim Miss Glam. It is a Sparkle Everyday Glam Beauty Sponge. I love the shape. The shape is really cute. You can use this to blend cream or liquid makeup for a streak-free airbrush finish. It's not overly porous, but it will expand, but it doesn't absorb too much. That's good because it won't absorb your product. It will actually just distribute the product. So that's a great attribute to have in a beauty blender product. And it's not actually just for makeup. You can use this to blend your moisturizer, your SPF, and your face oils into your skin as well. And it's got a cute tapered wedge tip that makes targeting around small areas like underneath your eye and onto your chin pretty easy. So that's this sponge, and I'm super excited actually to try that because of that angled tip. I think that's going to be a great piece to have. The next thing is the Trestique. This is the mini matte blur stick, and let me show you that. That's what it looks like. And then why you'll love it, it is a miracle in a stick. That's really big. It's a miracle in a stick, which instantly kicks shine to the curb and minimizes the appearance of pores. That's a big, tall order for this little mini blur stick. They say it's also totally translucent, so you can wear it over your makeup and it won't mess up your look, or as a primer before you apply. That's also big. And then it's easy to use on the go. You can swipe it over specific areas like your T-zone for a velvety matte texture. All right, that's a tall order. So let's just try this a little bit. Guys, you see that? Let's try the chin area. That's amazing. I can't believe that really worked. And then the last thing is a moisturizer in lavender scent. And let's go and talk about that product a little bit. Oh no, I'm sorry, one more thing. Before I get to the lavender, let me talk about the Elizabeth Moth Single Eyeshadow Glimmer in Goldie. That's the one I got. And let's talk about that product. It's a long-lasting eyeshadow with a touch of drama for any smoky eye look. It's a creamy formula that makes blending a cinch and knocks out creasing. Apply dry for subtle highlights by day or wet for a night out. And Goldie, which is the one I have, is a gorgeous shimmering gold Avi that looks fab day and night or whenever. So I actually have a gold color on, not Goldie, but I have on TF by ColourPop and Makeup Shayla. So that's the whole look that I have on today. Is that you'll see that in a previous video that I just finished doing. So you'll definitely see that. And then now let's get into the moisturizer. And this is by Jivy or Jivy. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. It is a lavender moisturizer. It's got a cool green tint that counteracts redness when you apply, and don't worry, the color completely blends into your skin, so you won't sport a green hue all day. That's good. And if you're looking for a moisturizer that quenches the skin and doesn't feel greasy, then this baby does it all. It's made with shea butter, cucumber peel, and aloe to leave your skin feeling hydrated and fresh. It has a blend of natural essential oils, including lavender, to give it a fresh, slightly floral scent. And you can slather it all over yourself before bedtime. And it is so soothing. It's 100% natural, with no chemicals, preservatives used to make this product. So I will definitely try it tonight. I'll leave it on my table to try it out, and I'll definitely let you guys know. Overall, I am pretty satisfied with both the Sephora and the Ipsy for the month of May. Great improvement from the April, which, you know, you remember I was a little skittish about, but I think both of them stepped up to the table. The bag for Ipsy is not the greatest. You know, I thought they could do a little bit better, especially coming from last month with those subtle rose gold details. And the butterflies, I thought that was a beautifully made bag. I think this one was just like someone phoned this in. Like, I don't think this is cute at all. But I do like the products that are inside. If I have to choose one that kind of won out for this month, I would have to say Sephora really knocked it out the park with things that I would really see myself using and trying, and also buying full sizes of the product, because every single one of the products that was in the Sephora monthly box, I think I would definitely use or most likely try. I do like the sponge that was in the Ipsy, so we'll see how that performs. But if I had to give it to one, I'd give it to Sephora. So that concludes my monthly review of my subscription boxes, Sephora versus Ipsy. Sephora, you won this round, but stay tuned to June to see which one edges out in that month. Until next time, it's your girl Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, bringing you lips, lashes, and luxury. And don't worry, you don't have to go far. My next video is right here, so you can watch it. Okay? And until next time, toodles.